Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. I say variety channel because this is my channel where I put anything that's not food related on it. My main channel is called In the Kitchen with Matt, and this channel is for my other videos, cryptocurrency videos, how-to videos like as it relates to YouTube and other things of that nature. And today's video is about earning money on YouTube and how many views and subscribers you need to make $250 a month. I like the $250 a month amount because that's kind of enough to, like, let's say, pay for a car payment. And when I was first starting out in YouTube quite a while ago on my other channel, I remember talking to my friend. We were at lunch one day and we were talking about my YouTube channel, and I was like, wow, it would be so cool to make enough money each month from YouTube to pay for my car. And then once that milestone happened, we were at lunch again and we were talking about it, and I was like, wow, it would be so cool if I could make enough on YouTube to pay for my mortgage payment. And then now it's like with my other channel and this channel combined, I'm at the point where I'm making a full-time living with YouTube, which is pretty awesome. So let's dive right in. For those of you who don't know, in order to make money on YouTube from the ads, and I'm only going to be talking about AdSense. I'm not going to be talking about the other ways that you can make money with YouTube. If you want to learn more about that, I have a couple of videos on that, and down below in the description box, you can find those. So in order to make money on YouTube through ads, you need to monetize your channel. And before you can monetize your channel, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, and you need 4,000 hours of watch time within a year. Now, it doesn't mean you have to wait a whole year. It just means accumulated hours. Like if it's, let's say the beginning of the year, if within a month you get 4,000 hours of watch time, then that qualifies, if that makes sense. And I want to make sure to point out you don't make money on subscribers unless you have a paid channel subscription service, which most YouTubers don't have, and it takes a while before you can even qualify for that. So, but it helps when you have subscribers because you have more fans that are going to come back and watch repeat videos and things of that nature. So that's the criteria to monetize your channel, and then sign up for a YouTube AdSense account, and then it gets linked to your channel, and then you can start running ads. You're not forced to run ads. You can, when you make a video, you can choose whether you add a advertisement in front of your video or not. But most people do because they want to make money. And so what do you need to make $250 a month? Well, this particular channel has been making around that much for a while now. And so I want to go into those analytics a little bit with you. And then also, it's going to vary per channel. And what do I mean by that? Is each channel is different. The niche that you are in is different. And this channel is a variety channel. Some of my videos are about cryptocurrency, and the ad revenue from those videos is higher than, let's say, a cat video that I might do, or one of my D&D videos or something like that. The ads that play on those videos may not generate as much income. Also depends on where the people are living that are watching the videos, and the ads that play where they live. It also depends on the time of year and the budgets that the companies have that are paying for the ads. And I go more into details about that kind of stuff in my other videos where I talk about earning money on YouTube. But just so keep that in mind, it varies to some degree. And so specific analytics will vary on your channel or other channels. But for my type of channel, this particular one, we'll dive into it and I'll show you what it looks like. Here we are in my variety channel. I'll just give a little shout out to my main channel, In the Kitchen with Matt. I have 180,000 subscribers over there. I'm really happy. The bulk of my income comes from that channel. But I love having this variety channel because I have so many interests. I like to do tutorials, like to talk about cryptocurrency, creative date ideas, board game reviews, how-to YouTube videos, things of that nature. So here we go. Let's go over here to get into the YouTube Studio. Just click on your icon if you don't know how to do that. Most likely you do. Click on the studio. And so here is my channel dashboard. Most of you are probably familiar with that. And right here, this is the 28-day summary right here. And I have 2,600 subscribers. And views for the last month, or last 28 days, was just shy of 27,000 views. And the revenue, estimated revenue, is $250. So if I go in here, it's a little easier to see if I just come in here to analytics, and there we can see the breakdown a little bit larger. So for my channel right now in February, this will look different in December. Ad rates are a lot higher in the last quarter than they are in the first quarter. But in January, February, this is what I've been making on this channel. 26,900 views, 1,300 hours of watch time, and 139 subscribers during that time, and estimated revenue $250.21 for 28 days. I usually come up here and click on this and do a custom and click on a couple more of these days. I like to see 30 days just because there's more days in the month that have 30 and 31 days. And so I like to see what it is kind of per month. And you can also up here and just do for the month. Like if I just click in here for the month of January, you could see what I did there. The month of January was 30,000 views, and it was $300 for that month. And there was one extra day, you know, there's 31 days in January. Okay, I'm getting a little long-winded here. Sometimes that happens in my videos. But yeah, I like to do the 30-day view, about $283 for the last 30 days currently. And so that's what you can expect. On average, if you want to get $250 to $300 a month, again, this is going to depend where you live, where your channel is based out of, and what kind of ads are playing on your channel. But in general, if you have around 25 to 30,000 views in a month, you can count on making about that much money, about $250 to $300 a month. And that might seem a lot. And it is. That's 30,000 views. Some of you might be struggling to get 500 views in a month. And so I would say just don't get discouraged and keep at it and make the content that you want to make, and the views will come, and then in return the income will come. But I have more videos that talk about growing your channel and things like that that you can check out if you want. So there you go. That is about how many views and subscribers you'll need to make about $250 each month off of YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Until next time, take care everyone, and happy video making and YouTubing.